Without using logarithmic tables, find the value of 3 into log 3 plus 4 plus log 4 divided by 3 by 2 into log 144. Now for the numerator, use this formula log m plus log n is equal to log m into n. Write 3 as it is. Then write log 3 into 4. Okay. Now for denominator, use this formula n into log m is equal to log m raised to n. So write here log 144 can be written as 12 square. Now this will become 3 by 2. Now this again numerator, you can use this formula n into log m is equal to log m raised to n. Log 3 4s are 12. Now m raised to n, that is 12 raised to 3. In the denominator, this 2 and this 2 will get cancelled. What is remaining? Log 12 raised to 3. Either you can directly cancel these two and write 1, or what you can do is log 12 cube. 12 cube means 12 into 12 into 12 is 1728. Okay, so you can write 1728 divided by again log 12 raised to 3 means 1728. You can cancel numerator and denominator and write answer as a 1. So this completes your answer. I hope you understood very well.